you guys? I am back for another natural hair wash day video, so let's get right into it. OurX sent me some products that I'm going to try out, so let's get right into the products that I'm going to be using. Now that we did a cute little unboxing, let's get into more about OurX. Upon going on their website, you get a personalized hair care regimen, expert coaching and education, and community support for your natural hair needs. Each person's regimen is different and specifically catered to what your hair needs are. They send your products in these pouches and then you fill them up in the recyclable bottles. And they have these rubber bands with the labels of the name of the product on each rubber band, and you just place them on the bottles and you are ready to start your wash day routine. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, definitely go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this video so you won't miss any more of my videos such as this. The OurX brand is Black owned and community driven, and it's a personalized program for total scalp and hair wellness. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried a personal hair care and scalp care regimen for your natural hair. And let me know in the comments what's your hair type, your porosity, or if you don't know those things, I do have a video on them on my channel, so definitely go subscribe and check them out. But let's get into the wash day routine. The first step in my personalized regimen is using their scalp purifying solution. This product is supposed to remove buildup while helping restore essential nutrients and optimal scalp health. It has ingredients such as witch hazel, salicylic acid, and hyaluronic acid. I've used a couple of scalp products before because you guys, I deal with psoriasis of the scalp. So overall, I don't think this was a necessary product to have in my routine, as I've had other products that were better for my scalp. But nonetheless, it was definitely okay for what it needed to do. Let me know in the comment section below if you use scalp helping products. Next in my routine is the pre-cleanse micro oil. This is supposed to loosen scalp buildup while nourishing, softening, and priming the strands for detangling and conditioning. This product has phytotriglycerides, squalene, and hyaluronic acid. Same with this product, I've come across other scalp products that help my scalp much better, but nonetheless, it was a decent product if you need another product to try for your scalp routine or you just want to give it a try. Although these products were pretty on the basic side for me, I do like that there's a two-step process to taking care of your scalp before you even go into the next set of products. So I do like the theme of that and the theme of that part of the wash day before I hop into shampoo and conditioning and detangling. Now the next part of my personalized routine is their nutrient cleanse complex. This is basically the shampoo. This is definitely more on the hydrating shampoo vibe, which I really liked and here for because I used two products to thoroughly cleanse my scalp. So now I'm adding a bit more hydration while still getting a little bit cleaner. This product has phytopeptides, squalene, and pilocartamine number 7, which promotes hydration and slip, locks in hydration and moisture, and promotes and supports hair follicle health. Overall, I do think this was a pretty decent shampoo. My hair felt moisturized and cleansed after using it. I would definitely reach for it again. Look at my hair, it's nice and shiny and ready for the next step of my personalized routine. The next step of my routine is the intense conditioning compound, which is basically their deep hydration mask. This mask is supposed to deeply penetrate hydration as well as absorb and retain long-lasting moisture and support your overall hair health. This product has squalene, humectants, and AI-derived peptide. I noticed the running theme in their products is squalene, and which is really good because that really helps with hydration, and I did notice that. I think this conditioner was pretty decent. I don't feel like it was a deep conditioner. I feel like it was like a regular wash day conditioner, and y'all know deep conditioners are important to me, but nonetheless, it was a decent conditioner. I just don't know if I would call it a deep conditioner. I can decently detangle my hair and put it in my 4 sections as usual, which is definitely important to me, so let me know what y'all think. When using this product, you're supposed to apply it and leave it on for 5 minutes and then put it on your hair a second time and do it for another 5 minutes. So a total of 10 minutes and you use it twice. I think that does help with kind of making sure your hair is nice, soft, and detangled before going in with your next step. But let me know if you do that with your products and do you follow directions. Here's a close-up of my hair. It's definitely feeling clean. I just applied the deep hydration mask on my hair. It does have a little bounce back, so she's hydrated. Now I'm going to rinse this deep hydration mask out. Remember, I said you're supposed to do it twice, so leave it on for 5 minutes, rinse it out, and then apply the deep conditioner back to your hair again, and then leave on for 5 more minutes, and then rinse it out again before heading into your next step of whatever your personalized regimen is. Last but certainly not least in my personalized regimen is their treatment leave-in, which is their phytopeptide detangler. I must say this was my favorite product out of my personalized regimen. The ingredients of this product is phytopeptides, hyaluronic acid, and saccharomose ferment. Let me know if you know how to pronounce that in the comment sections below, but it helps to smooth the hair and reduce breakage. This product claims to be lightweight leave-in water balm that lends slip with a hint of bounce, and it's easy styling, boosts moisture retention, and protects against heat with no greasy residue. And I will say it did just that. This product glided on my hair. It helped detangle my hair before I was ready to prepare for my next style. It was nice, silky, and smooth. My hair felt hydrated and moisturized. I definitely will be reaching for this product again, and I take notes of that because I'm typically not a leave-in girly, but I will definitely be using this leave-in again because I really liked it. Like, look at the shine on my hair. But I'm gonna finish using the treatment leave-in, put my hair in some twist, and prepare my hair for the next style. Most of the products in all definitely had a light, I guess, floral kind of scent. Definitely not fruity, but definitely not overpowering. So I definitely like that about these products. Overall, this personalized hair regimen, I like the idea of it, that you get products that are catered to what you need for your hair. Some of the products were a hit or miss, but like I said, I really love the treatment leave-in and will use that again. Let me know in the comment sections below if you will try OurX or if you like the idea of a personalized hair care regimen. But that's all I have for you guys. That's it. I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you in the next one, because over here, you know, we're fabulous, flourishing, and having fun. Bye.